क्या आपको पता है कि आज के टाइम में पैसिव इनकम जनरेशन कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है? अगर आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हैं या स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आपको अपने जॉब के साथ-साथ एक पैसिव इनकम सोर्स भी बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी क्यों है? आज हम जानेंगे 5 वेज़ जिसके द्वारा आप अपने लिए एक पैसिव इनकम सोर्स बना पाएँगे अलोंग विद योर जॉब और अलोंग विद योर स्टडी। सो फर्स्ट वे that you can make your passive income source. Number one is course creation. If you are experts in any topic, you can make course on that topic and start selling your course. Then you can make passive income with that course, right? Second thing, you can make your YouTube channel. At your channel, you can share your experience, your expertise in that topic, and you can make big subscribers, and you can make earning from your YouTube channel also, right? Third thing is Instagram reels, right? You can uh, you can make Instagram reels. You can create more content so that many people follow you, and you will get more more visibility, right, about your expertise, and you can monetize your Instagram also. Fourth thing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is to promote other people, other company product and make commissions, right? And fifth thing is network marketing. Right now it's a 21st century business, right? And it is very popular nowadays in India. So you can start with network marketing also. So these are the 5 ways that anybody can make passive income source, right? So again, I am revising. Number one, you can create your course. Second thing, you can make your YouTube channel, right? Third thing is you can monetize your Instagram. Fourth thing is affiliate marketing, and fifth thing is digital network marketing, right? So with this 5 steps, you can make yourself a passive income source, right? So uh, I am Raghuraj Singh. I am Digital Raghuraj Singh, right? And if you want to learn the 5 ways to make your passive income, go to a link given in description, from where you can join my webinar, and you can uh, join our community also, right? So just click on that link and join my webinar. Thank you very much. And in that way, yes, in that webinar, I am going to tell you more detail about this all steps so that you can make a digital passive income source for yourself. Okay. Thank you. If you are already subscribed my this podcast channel, thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and please follow me. Thank you. We will meet in webinar. Thank you very much.